Hi guys, it's me. Oh my god guys, I think Roblox got shut down. Look, if I click Roblox, something will happen. My screen got just covered black ever. I saw the YouTube. There's a YouTuber too. He uploads 7 hours. That happened to him too. He played her Roblox and then this happened. Her screen got black. This is just happened me too. Oh, guys, I think Roblox got shut down or we got banned. I'm thinking maybe Roblox got shut down. So I'm saying the truth, everyone. What happened to Roblox got shut down because I saw a YouTuber just upload just 7 hours. What happened to my Roblox? He said that, and then I thought, oh my god, that happened to me too. I said that where I was watching that. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, promise guys, I will go to YouTube. Look at this. I watched this. Oh my god guys. Bro, what happened to my Roblox now? He said that. This is 7 hours guys. Oh my god guys. This is 7 hours. Look at this. 7 hours ago. Oh, look. It got black. Somebody said the comments to same bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god guys. Everybody. Oh my god guys. If I just delete this again was 1 hour ago and I just tried download again and then log in my account. But the black screen just show up again. What happened to Roblox? Roblox got shut down guys. Oh my god. Guys, like and subscribe guys. I'm gonna solve this. What happened? Next for part 2 I will solve